Hey everyone, welcome back. You've just turned that winning trade into a stack of virtual coins. Bitcoin, Ethereum, maybe even that hot new meme coin everyone's talking about. It's a great feeling, but then reality sets in. How do you actually get your hands on that money? Can you just buy a Lumbo with your phone? Well, not quite, but transferring your crypto to cash isn't exactly rocket science either. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Gemini withdrawals. We'll crack open that digital piggy bank and see how much you can pull out, and more importantly, how to do it safely and efficiently. So, how much can you withdraw from your Gemini account? There's no one-size-fits-all answer here. Unlike traditional bank accounts, Gemini doesn't have a set withdrawal limit. That might sound scary at first, but it actually gives you a lot of flexibility. The real limit depends on two main factors: your verification level and your daily withdrawal limits. Level up your account, level up your limits. Gemini uses a tiered verification system. The higher your verification level, the more you can withdraw per day. Here's a breakdown. Basic verification: this is the starting point. It requires minimal information like your name, address, and date of birth. The daily withdrawal limit here is pretty low, typically around $1,000. But hey, it's a good way to test the waters. Advanced verification: this steps things up a notch. You'll need to provide additional documents like government ID and proof of residence. This verification level bumps your daily limit to a more comfortable $10,000. Institutional verification: this is for the high rollers. If you're managing serious crypto funds, you'll need to contact Gemini directly to discuss limits. But trust us, if you're at this level, withdrawal limits are probably the least of your concerns. Don't forget the daily grind. Even with verification, there's another hurdle to consider: daily withdrawal limits. These are set by Gemini to ensure smooth operation and prevent, well, people from emptying the vault. These limits are separate from your verification level, but they work together. So, for example, with basic verification and a $10,000 daily limit, you can only withdraw a maximum of $1,000 per day. Breaking the piggy bank: how to withdraw from Gemini. Now that you know your limits, let's get down to brass tacks. Withdrawing from Gemini is a straightforward process. Here's a quick guide. Log into your Gemini account. Navigate to your wallet section. This will show you all your crypto holdings and your USD balance. Click the Withdraw button. You'll be presented with a list of your currencies. Choose the currency you want to withdraw. This could be your crypto holdings that you've converted to USD or just straight USD. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Make sure it stays within your daily limit. Double-check the withdrawal address. This is super important. You're essentially sending money, so make sure it goes to the right place. Gemini will likely have some security measures in place here, like two-factor authentication, to keep things safe. Review the transaction fee. Gemini charges a small fee for withdrawals, which will be displayed before you confirm. Hit that confirmation button and wait for the magic to happen. Gemini withdrawals typically take 1 to 3 business days to process, so don't panic if you don't see the money in your bank account instantly. Security first, crypto always. Before we wrap things up, a quick word on security. Withdrawing crypto is a sensitive operation. Here are some golden rules to remember. Never share your withdrawal address with anyone. It's like giving out your bank account number. Triple-check the address before confirming. One typo and your crypto could be gone forever. Enable two-factor authentication on your Gemini account. This adds an extra layer of security. Consider using a whitelist withdrawal address. This restricts where you can send your funds, making it harder for hackers to steal them. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.